Trev, can you explain to us how you would clad a garage?
Okay, so put the fat bit at the bottom, and then I put a screw at the top into the band, and you position this screw in such a way that when the next piece goes on it covers it up, and then at the bottom of the piece put in another screw, but you don't want the screw that goes in the bottom shouldn't go through the piece of timber that's underneath it. It should miss it.
So for example, with this one where we've got here and here, this screw is just above where this timber.
Yeah, this timber ends about there.
Okay.
Yeah. So that screw's missing it.
Brilliant. Thanks. As you can see, we did it. We made our garage. It ended up costing us just over £3,000. Yeah, it's 7 meters by 3.5, and it's really nice size, nice quality, and we love it. I didn't get to film the roof being done, but as you can see right next to it, we are starting a summer house which will actually be a worship cabin for our family. So as soon as we go to do the roof on this one, I will film it for you so you have the step-by-step on how to do a rubber roof. But there's the beauty of our garage. Really nice, and it will eventually suit the exterior of what we're going to have done on the bungalow. Anyway, keep tuned, don't forget to subscribe and like and click on the bell, then that will notify you as we put videos up. And yeah, each of these videos will just help you with ideas of how to develop and build your house further, and increase it in value, but also make it your forever home with your little man caves, garages, or extensions, or whatever that may be. Okay, catch you later.